Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Zone. Affiliate marketing, you might have heard about it. It is the talk of the town in 2020. Meanwhile, people are making websites one after another to affiliate with brands and e-commerce businesses. The top of this list among these brands is Amazon. However, there is not one but several methods that you can use to generate revenue using Amazon, and this is what we're going to discuss in this video. Today, we're going to be talking about 15 legit ways to make money through Amazon. Make sure you stay until number 1 so you don't miss out on 15 legit ways to make money through Amazon. Number 15, Kindle Books. Amazon's Kindle stage has engaged a large number of creators to dive into independently publishing their books to the world. Truth be told, there are currently more than 6 million Kindle titles ready to move. Independently publishing is one of my most loved and longest running side hustles. The way Kindle writers bring in cash is when people acquire your book through the Kindle Unlimited program. This program, which prizes writers dependent on what number of pages of substance your perusers expend, will in general work better for fiction writers, as perusers will regularly eat up a few bucks in a month on the off chance they like your work. So, if you're someone with a knack for writing, then you should definitely try your luck with this program. Number 14, Amazon Trade-in Program. Have you any idea that Amazon will pay you for utilized books, DVDs, Kindle gadgets, tablets, mobile phones, and different items? This administration is offered through an official exchange program, which pays you an Amazon Blessing credit for your product. It's not exactly money, however, this is credit that can only be used to make purchases on Amazon, which is an altogether not too much of a bad offer. The cool part is that they give away free prepaid USPS or UPS dispatching name as well, so you should simply bundle up the thing and then send it off. It's simpler than eBay because you don't need to take any pictures. Keep an eye out for a sale to end or manage buyers. In case you're planning to clean your room, look at what your things are worth to Amazon. Number 13, Twitch streaming. Engaging video gamers are acquiring genuine cash broadcasting their games live on Amazon-possessed Twitch.tv. These streaming videos bring in cash with a portion of the site's membership charges, publicizing on their channels, gifts, and offering a product to their fans. The most well-known players are assessed to get $300,000 or more every year. So if you're someone with a good sense of playing video games and online games, then you should definitely start affiliating with Amazon by streaming your playing videos on Twitch.tv. If not much, it will get you enough revenue that could buy you some coffees. Number 13, Amazon Services. Do you know that you can utilize Amazon to interface with a handyman to fix the kitchen sink you buy from Amazon? As indicated by the new Amazon Services, experts like housekeepers, handy persons, circuit repairmen, exterior decorators, handymen, etc., and a whole lot more can apply to sell their administrations through Amazon. After you go along with this, you'll see each new position in your general vicinity, and you have the option to pick one that fits to your timetable. There is no startup or participation charges, yet Amazon will charge some fees for the booking. Number 11, Amazon Flex Deliveries. Have you seen that a number of your Amazon deliveries are being released off by random individuals rather than the standard UPS drivers? This new program permits individuals to get $18 to $25 an hour in their free time and helps Amazon with handling over bundles significantly faster. Flex is gradually being turned out across the country, and you can see what regions are accessible or join the shortlist for your region. This side hustle offers to individuals who have a solid vehicle yet may not fit the bill for Uber or Lyft, or just dislike driving outsiders around. Number 10, Amazon Work From Home Jobs. If you need a job where you can work from the comfort of your own home, consider joining Amazon's Virtual Client Support Group, also known as Amazon's Work From Home Customer Service Associate. Virtual opportunities aren't accessible everywhere yet. If you live in a certain zone though, you might have the option to apply for Amazon's telecommute positions, given that you're qualified and a correct fit for the position. They usually pay $10 per hour. There are non-clients administration jobs that those with a certified tech foundation might apply for. For example, cloud tech account supervisors and specialized mentors. Number 9, Amazon Handmade. Amazon has a program called Amazon Handmade, and it's available to merchants by the application. The Handmade program is available to artisans who make embellishments, works of art, excellence and personal care products, dresses, shoes and handbags, home products, toys, and games. You can in any case set your costs and control the marketing and information on your business pages. You can also satisfy orders yourself. Amazon takes a 15% cut from each deal, which is somewhat higher than platforms like Etsy. Number 8, audiobooks. One of the methods is to turn your ebook, which you have listed on Amazon, into an audiobook as well. Not every book will require an audio version, so you will need to be careful about that. However, there might be a good probability of a higher rate of selling once your book has all 3 formats available on the Amazon listing page. Also, there are people out there who prefer listening rather than reading. Amazon has this issue sorted out for you too. They've created an audiobook creation exchange program, ACX, where you can hire narrators for your book to turn it into an audio version. This method comes along with another hustle that is to become a narrator at Amazon's ACX program, where people may hire you to narrate their piece of writing. Either way, it's your benefit as money is transferring into your account. Number 7. Amazon Associates. A gradual pay stream through the year has been Amazon Associates, Amazon's subsidiary showcasing program. On the off chance that you have a site or blog of your own, then this is a great approach to get paid when you allude purchasers to Amazon for items that you talk about or include on your webpage. Your bonuses will run from 4 to 15% relying upon what you sell, however, you can indicate a noteworthy sum. The best piece of Amazon's associate program isn't the commission rate, however. It is indeed one of the good methods to invest in as a source of passive income. The best parts are the high transformation rate and how you'll gain commission on all that somebody inevitably purchases after they click your connection. By this method, you will earn throughout the years. Number 6. Make money on Mechanical Turk. Amazon's Mechanical Turk is a fascinating publicly supported workstage. It practices principally in truly low expertise undertakings, yet ones that despite everything require a natural eye. As a result of the low expertise required, these assignments regularly pay close to nothing, normally beginning at a couple of pennies. A considerable lot of the laborers are abroad, where the expenses of living are lower. However, the stage is available to US laborers too. It sincerely wouldn't be my first decision of side hustles, yet it is a choice. Number 5. Amazon Alexa Skills. There are 2 or 3 different ways side hustles can bring in cash with Amazon's well-known Echo gadget. The first is Apple's application store. You can construct extraordinary Alexa voice applications called abilities. As a gifted engineer, you can set your own and acquire 70% of the income when clients get it. For instance, Nick Schwab made a free surrounding commotion ability and now has 10,000 paying clients for an excellent membership variant, estimated somewhere in the range of 99 cents to $1.99 every month. Amazon additionally has a prizes program to urge designers to work on the biological system of aptitudes. So, what you will earn depends upon the extent of your skills. Number 4. Amazon Vine. If you routinely use Amazon and read surveys, you've most likely understood a couple that says the individual got the item for free in return for an audit. Much the same as Amazon trade-ins, you won't get money in case you're a part of Amazon Vine, yet you'll get stock for nothing in return for an audit. Fundamentally, it's a program that is just offered to individuals who leave steady surveys for items, so not everybody can join. On the off chance that you appreciate expounding your involvement in different items, you will generally get plenty of supported votes from the Amazon People group, and you may be a solid match for Vine voices. Number 3. Private label your product. To stay away from a portion of the opposition on Amazon, numerous dealers have picked to private naming their listings, which implies they are enlisting it on Amazon as their own. The procedure for private marking is more confounded than just purchasing a thing from Alibaba and selling it. The advantage of selling your marked item on Amazon is that you generally have full control of your posting and you can make changes to your item if you need to. Suppose your clients whined about a specific component of your item. You can make changes to it, for example, and then suppose you sold pencils, yet you saw a ton of negative surveys referencing the fact that they wished the eraser worked better and that the pencil itself was more extensive for better hold, then you will be able to take those suggestions from analysis and arch your pencil and get it trademarked. Number 2. Retail Arbitrage. Retail exchange is a great purchase low, sell high plan of action. How it functions is that you discover an item at profound limits locally and exchange them on Amazon for a benefit. On the off chance that you need, Amazon will even deal with the delivery for you through their FBA program. This is one of the best methods, as the chances of your thing getting sold increases many folds when it's listed on a platform like Amazon. Also, the convenient exchange and delivery method make it far more feasible. So, what are you waiting for? Number 1. Sell your designs with Amazon merch. The Merch by Amazon program is a very cool way to make extra money without any contribution at all. All you gotta do is design, and the rest is handled by Amazon itself. The printing, shipping, etc., all of it. You'll get paid quite a handsome amount of money for each order you manage to get. It's the exact same as the dropshipping method, and it's one of the best ways of making passive income online. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!